Hello Uganda, I am Baba's Priscilla Anita, a Year 1 student pursuing a bachelor's degree in information technology at Mountains of the Moon University. I warmly welcome you to my multimedia project presentation entitled Smart Farming for a Better Uganda, using machines and Internet of Things to transform agriculture. Agriculture is one of the most important sectors in Uganda. It is the backbone of our economy and the main source of livelihood for millions of Ugandan families across villages, towns, and rural communities. Agriculture provides food, employment, income, and raw materials for industries. From growing bananas, maize, beans, coffee, tea, cassava, and rice to keep livestock such as cows, goats, pigs, and chicken. Ugandan farmers work tirelessly each day to feed the nation and support the economic growth. However, despite the importance of agriculture, many farmers still face serious challenges that limit productivity and development. Many farmers continue to use traditional farming methods that depend heavily on manual labor. Farmers spend long hours during digging by hand under the hot sun, carrying water manually, and depending on outdated farming equipment. These methods consume a lot of time, require a lot of energy, and often produce low yields. In many parts of Uganda, farmers still struggle with unpredictable weather conditions. Some areas experience long, dry seasons that destroy crops due to lack of water, while other areas experience floods that wash away gardens and plantations. Pests and diseases also continue to affect crops and livestock, leading to heavy losses for farmers. In addition, many farmers lack access to accurate farming information, modern machinery, quality irrigation system, and affordable agricultural technologies. As a result, many hardworking farmers produce less food and low incomes and remain trapped in poverty despite their efforts. Imagine a farmer planting crops without knowing whether the soil has enough moisture. Imagine watering crops every day without knowing whether the plants actually need water. Imagine losing livestock because there is no proper tracking or monitoring system. There are some of the real-life challenges faced by many Ugandan farmers today. But fortunately, the world is changing. Technology is transforming many sectors of life, including education, health, business, communication, transportation, and agriculture now. Today, modern farming technologies are creating new opportunities for farmers to work smarter instead of harder. This is where the concept of smart farming comes in. Smart farming refers to the use of modern technologies such as agricultural machines, mobile sensors, Internet of Things systems to improve farming activity and increase productivity. Smart farming combines agriculture with technology to make farming easier, faster, more efficient, and more profitable. One major part of smart farming is the use of mechanical agriculture tools and machines. Agricultural farming machines such as tractors help farmers plow large pieces of land quickly and efficiently. Instead of spending many days digging manually, a tractor can complete the work within hours. Modern planters help farmers plant seeds evenly and at the right spacing, improving crop growth and reducing seed wastage. Harvesters help farmers collect crops quickly during harvesting seasons, reducing post-harvest losses and saving time. Irrigation pumps help transport water to crops during dry seasons, ensuring continuous crop growth even when rainfall is efficient. These machines reduce human labor, increase speed, improve efficiency, and help farmers produce more food. Another important part of smart farming is the Internet of Things, commonly known as IoT. The Internet of Things refers to the devices connected through the Internet that can collect, send, and analyze data automatically. In agriculture, Internet of Things technologies are helping farmers to make better decisions based on real-time information. For example, soil moisture sensors can measure the amount of water in the soil and inform farmers when crops need watering. Instead of guessing, farmers can know when exactly irrigation is needed. This helps reduce water wastage and ensure healthier crop growth. Weather monitoring systems can provide information about the temperature, rainfall, humidity, and wind conditions. Farmers can use this information to plant, spray, irrigate, and harvest efficiently. Smart irrigation systems can automatically water crops only when necessary. This improves water management and reduces unnecessary costs. Mobile farming applications are also becoming important tools for farmers. Through smartphones, farmers can access weather forecasts, market prices, farming tips, pest control methods, and expert agriculture advice. This allows farmers to make informed decisions that improve productivity and profitability. Imagine a future where a farmer receives a phone notification telling them the soil moisture is low and irrigation should begin immediately. Imagine sensors detecting disease outbreaks before crops are destroyed. Imagine automated irrigation systems watering crops even when the farmer is away from the farm. There is no longer science fiction. It is the reality of modern farming. Countries around the world are already benefiting from agricultural technologies, and also Uganda has the potential to embrace these innovations and transform its agriculture sector. Smart farming offers many advantages to the farmers and community. First of all, it saves time. Machines can perform much faster than manual labor, allowing farmers to complete farming activities efficiently. Second of all, farmers reduce the labor cost. Farmers will spend less money hiring many workers for activities. Lastly, it improves food security. When farmers produce more food consistently, communities are likely to experience less hunger and food shortages. Technology also helps unnecessary use of chemicals that may damage the environment. Today, many youth think agriculture is old-fashioned, difficult, and non-profitable. However, integrating technology into agriculture creates exciting opportunities for innovation, entrepreneurship, and employment. Young people with knowledge in information technology and agriculture can develop mobile apps, smart devices, and digital farming solutions that support farmers and improve agriculture systems. Universities, schools, agriculture training centers, and research organizations can teach farmers and students how to use modern agriculture technologies efficiently. However, despite the benefits of smart farming, there are still challenges that must be addressed. Some farmers lack enough money to purchase modern farming equipment. Others have limited access to electricity, internet services, or technical knowledge. As students and future innovators, we also have a responsibility to contribute to the national development by creating technological solutions that solve real-time problems. This multimedia project is specifically designed to educate, inspire, and empower farmers, youths, agriculture extension workers, farming cooperatives, and communities about the importance of integrating technology into agriculture. Smart farming is not only for the large-scale commercial farmers, it is for every Ugandan farmer who dreams for better harvests, improved income, and a better future. Whether you own a large farm or a small garden, technology can help you improve productivity and efficiency. The future of agriculture depends on the innovation. The future of Uganda depends on empowering farmers with knowledge and technology. When agriculture improves, food production increases, poverty reduces, employment opportunities grow, and national development becomes stronger. By embracing mechanical farming tools and Internet of Things technology, Ugandan farmers can overcome traditional farming challenges and move towards a smarter and more sustainable future. Let's embrace innovation. Let's support our farmers. Let us use technology to build a stronger Uganda. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I am Baba's Priscilla Anita, a student at Mountains of the Moon University, and this has been my multimedia project presentation entitled Smart Farming for a Better Uganda, using machines and Internet of Things to transform agriculture. Smart farming for a better Uganda. The future of agriculture starts now. Thank you.